today we are doing quite an interesting project of refinishing marble floors. So let me tell you a little bit about the situation and what the condition of the floor and why we're doing what we're doing. So basically floor is a crema marfil or crema marfil type floor throughout the whole house, and just traditional installation, distressed grout joints, but most importantly it's got a lot of settlement cracks. So everywhere, every direction possibly you can see there's a settling cracks that made that floor look really bad. And most importantly, if I have to say, this is a failed floor. Failed floor, what does it mean when you have a failed floor? Like, what are you gonna do? Either you're gonna just get rid of it, demo it, and then do something else, or you call us and maybe we can give you the good idea or good solution for it. So when I looked at that floor, first thing came to my mind, like what could have done, what we could have done to it. So we ended up doing 8+ texture finish on the floor. And why texture finish? Because if there's so many cracks, I want to hide those cracks. Even though we're gonna repair them, we're gonna inject the epoxy resin there and then reinforce those cracks. I want to also hide them. So I thought that refinishing of with the texture finish would be the best solution in this situation. So that's what we're doing. So we remove the grout joints, put the epoxy resin there, and then what we do these days, we color match epoxy resin. We make sure that it's custom color matched, so it's just gonna match the color of the background of the marble. So we inserted the epoxy resin into the grout joints. We removed the lippage, and so that at that point everything nice and flat. And what we did after that, we start grinding the floor up to 120 grit metal bond discs, and after that we start texturing the floor with 24 grit brushes. So what 24 grit diamond brush does, it just creates a profile into the stone. That's where you get this ladder or texture finish. So at this point we are at 120 grit. We went through 24, 36, 46, 60, 80 and 120. We're gonna end up going up to 180 grit, and after that we're gonna use the diamond impregnating pads to get the nice sheen to it, because customer wants to have a sheen on the floor. So I think it's gonna be extremely unique, I would say, floor. Why? Because just to recreating something from one condition, one stage to another stage, it takes quite the passion and love to do this type of work. And then me and my team, we always get quite excited about the projects like that when we have a challenging conditions and we want to make it, we want to save floor. So I think saving this floor is gonna look really nice, luxurious, and just look through it and let me know what you think about this project. Again, it's been a while, we haven't posted any YouTube videos, but we've been busy. So here we are with this interesting project. So we'll be getting back to you with more. Until next time, guys. Bye.